Okay, message to self. This is instructions for the shutters. Okay, I'm at the kitchen first. Okay, the kitchen pretty much, as you can see, it goes right pretty much to the edge. Okay, you can see left end, it's marked. You can see kitchen 1 overlaps right about there. Kitchen 2 overlaps right about there. Kitchen 3, and then the end. You can see the end is, you know, just about a ½ inch or so from the end. And then the screws are all good except you got washers there, a washer there. The 2 center ones have washers. Now over to the living room, you know, which was the most difficult of the shutters to put up. You can see I have it clearly marked right end. Okay, 7. There's a lot of overlaps here. Okay, that comes pretty much, you know, right to the end. You know, you can see there's just a little space. There's that little pipe there. There's a little, maybe an inch away from that little pipe is where 2 inches at the bottom. And there's a lip on the shutter. It's about an inch from that. Okay, but there's a lot of overlaps. You can see 2 overlap. Okay, all the overlaps are marked. You know, pretty much every shutter's overlapped, and I got it marked where they're overlapped. And we needed on the end here. It comes over the edge of the sill. Okay, you can see the sill is totally covered. The sill's down here. You can see it comes, you know, a good 4 inches over the sill. It's a good 4 inches over the sill on this end. So you know you're, you know, on the right end. It's got that, okay, that half piece, end piece there. But there's a lot of overlaps, and you got to get the overlaps just right. But I have the overlaps marked. Okay, so then now we're going to go to the green bedroom, the east facing, and that one there, there's 4 panels, and only the left panel is overlapped. Okay, the other 3 panels are side by side. Okay, there's 4 panels. I have the 4th one, the right end. Okay, the right end, you can tell where it stops there. There's about, you know, 2 inches. About 2 inches. Okay, over here on the left side is about 2 inches. Okay, so that's where you start it. You can see up there. Okay, but first one is overlapped. First one, 1 and 2 on the left are overlapped. 3 and 4 are side by side. Now to the other green bedroom, the south facing, that's all self-explanatory. Everything is easy on that one. Okay. The other tough one was the office here. Okay, this is the east facing. This is facing east. This window's facing east. There's just 2 panels. Panel number 2 on the end is right up against the house. Okay, so that's how you know you're there, when you're right up against the house. Okay, and then you got the overlap there, approximately in the middle. And then 1 is on the left, you know, there's 1, 2, and then the left end, it comes about, because you got that corner piece, it comes about 3 inches from the end. Okay. Then on the other side, this is the southeast facing, because it's south. There's two office windows facing south, and there's a southwest over there, and there's a southeast here. Okay, so this is the southeast one. 2 panels right on the end. Same thing. It's about 2 inches from the end down there. You can see. Okay, some washers on the. You can see there's a couple of washers needed there. And then over here on the end, it's pretty much, you know, almost on the end. There's a lip overhang lip there, and that lip overhang is pretty much right on the end. Okay, but 1, 2, 3, and 5 have washers. So you can see the washers, 3 and 5. And then over here on this one, you got washers on 2, 4, and there's a big one on 5. Okay, so now over here to the other one. This was the one where the I had to use tap cons, okay? So this is the southwest facing. Okay, that's two, that's the end, okay? That's the end. The end has a lip on it. See that lip? It's got a lip on it. There's a washer on the end there. There's a little washer there, and there's a tap con. 3 tap cons. 3 tap cons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's overlapped in the center. The left end is about 2 inches. 2 inches. Okay, that's where this one is. And then this is the west facing. Okay, this is about it's about 2.5 inches, and the left end is exactly against the house. You can see it's right up against the house. Okay, that's 1 west office, 2 west office. Okay, then this is the master bedroom south, facing south. Okay, there's 10 panels, and this one here, the end panel, it's about 1/2 inch or so from the end of the sill. Okay. Okay, 10 panels. They're overlapped, except the first panel's a shorty. So I got it marked shorty. It's on the end, and it's about, you can see it's about 3 inches. 3 inches from the end of the sill. Okay, and that's a shorty, and they're all marked 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's a message to self, just to show how well, I got to put these back up. And there's washers. There's washers on the. This is the west office. There's washers 1, 2, 3, 4. There's washers on all of them. Okay, because they didn't screw in all the way, so you had to put washers on them. Okay, there's 2 big washers on that one. 2 big washers on that one. Big washer on that one, and little washer on that one. Little washer on that one. A lot of washers on this west end, because office west end, because they didn't screw all the way in. Okay, that's all.